I need to blow up, man. I need to get big. How and where can I get enough sugar to make this happen?
That's what I'm here for. I'm your lifeline. I have a way to make sure all of the sugar she makes works for you but not for her. I'll release estrogen, cortisol, and HPL hormones.
HPL, or human placental leptogen, is an anti-insulin hormone that reduces maternal insulin sensitivity, so her glucose rises and rises, making her a true shut-her mama with GDM.
That's messed up. I am non-white, I'm 31, obese. I have HTN, and previous GDM. My mom has diabetes, and a LGA baby, glucosuria, and a stillborn. My risks are through the roof.
Hush up, woman, I need to grow, and your sugar is what got me in here in the first place. I am just making sure that I am taken care of, at your expense, of course.
In a normal pregnancy, the pancreas has to work up to 3 times as much to compensate for high glucose levels. With GDM, the pancreas can't accommodate and glucose levels rise in mom.
Wow. You sound really smart all of a sudden. Also note that the higher the glucose is in mom, the more the baby gets and the extra glucose is stored as fat. Baby got back. Ooh.
So basically, you'll be fed, and I'll be watching my sugar slip past my cells? I want energy too. Wait. And you're saying my baby will be too big to deliver vaginally?
Not everything is about you, woman. Jeez. Just deliver me C-section style to protect my shoulders and we're good. You'll be back to normal once my placenta is out.
With all this overnutrition? You're going to miss me when you get out. You're gonna get hyperinsulinemia and your blood sugar will drop it low if I am not treated.